Klimaire PTAC 12,000 BTU air conditioner with heat pump is a powerful and efficient climate solution that offers both cooling and heating in one compact unit. I have provided the link to this air conditioner in the description below if you want to know how much it costs. With a cooling power of 12,000 BTUs and heating capabilities through both a heat pump and a backup 3.5 kilowatts electric heater, this unit is ideal for maintaining year-round comfort in a single room or suite. Designed for seamless compatibility, it fits perfectly into a standard 42 by 16-inch wall sleeve, making it an excellent replacement for most major brands. Whether you're upgrading an old system or outfitting a new installation, the Klimaire PTAC provides a straightforward solution with minimal hassle. It runs on a 230V circuit using a 20A 3-prong grounding plug and delivers reliable performance with a noise level of just 51 decibels, quiet enough for bedrooms or hotel rooms. Efficiency is at the core of the Klimaire PTAC. With a solid 10.5-year rating, the system uses R32 refrigerant, which offers better energy performance and a lower environmental impact compared to older refrigerants. It's engineered with thoughtful safety and performance features like anti-freeze protection, a compressor restart delay to prevent overload, and a power cord equipped with a resettable current detection device. These features collectively enhance the unit's lifespan and operational stability. User convenience is a clear highlight as the unit comes equipped with a wireless remote control and a front access control panel for manual settings. Additionally, there's an option to control it via smartphone when connected with the Wi-Fi kit, which gives you full control of your room's climate from anywhere. It also features fresh air intake for improved air circulation, making your indoor environment healthier and more pleasant. Each unit includes a complete kit with a drain assembly and label sticker, making installation and maintenance straightforward. However, do note that if you're installing it from scratch, a wall sleeve and rear grille are required and sold separately. The build quality, coupled with its robust set of modern features, makes the Klimaire PTAC 12,000 BTU a dependable choice for residential, hospitality, and commercial spaces alike.